Okay, so let's get into the introduction into DSA, which is data structures and analysis. Let me just pick blue here and let's go for DSA. So that's going to be data structures and analysis. Now, let me just start off with who is this for, right? This is basically for people that just learn Python, that basically know everything there is to know about the Python language. At least they know the building blocks, right? Like you got to understand, like, what are we starting with? Now, what is this? What is data structures and analysis? DSA is the basis of all, let me repeat that, all Leetcode questions. On top of this, it's also the basis of all interview questions. So let's just write that down, all interview questions. So DSA is pretty important. That's a big thing. Now, why should we learn DSA, right? So first off, you just learn DSA, right? Second, you apply this in your interviews. And third, you make money. Like that's just how you do it, right? Or you can just put this in your projects, and you can get interviews that way, right? Like if you're not getting interviews, just apply them in projects, and then you will get interviews. Now, where do we start, right? This one is pretty simple. First, we start with arrays. You must have heard of them already when you were starting Python. Then we do linked lists. And then we do recursion, right? You might have heard that before. Number 4, sorting. Number 5, we're going to do binary search. And then 6, trees, pretty simple. 7, we're going to learn about backtracking. You might not have heard of that. 8, we're going to learn heap and priority queues. And then number 9, we have hashing. Number 10, we have graphs. Number 11, we have dynamic programming. This is a pretty big one. Number 12, we have bit manipulation. That's the last one right there. All right, so that's pretty much it, right? That's all data structures and analysis is. Now, let's just learn all of these and crush your interviews and your Leetcode, questions, all of them. That's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video. Good luck, guys.